Alright, today we're going to replace the brake light on the Sienna minivan. So you got to unscrew these two screws. Alright, there's the first one. Second one's down here. Okay, now you want to pull it back this way towards you. Ah, there we go. Okay, so the brake light is over here. Your regular driving light is right there. So we're gonna twist it, and here's your brake light. We're gonna try not to touch the bulb with our hands. I have one of these, just a paper towel, because you don't want to get grease on the light. Take the old one out. That wasn't good. Let's use the new one. Snap it in, make sure it's clean. We're gonna put it back in and twist. And like this, put it back in and turn it. You're gonna make sure the light slides on to here. So now it's on. Make sure your drill is set to 1 because you don't want to over tighten if you're using a drill. Oops. Set it to 2 just a little bit. Alright, it's done. Let's check the light. I'm going to press the brake. And that's how you change a light bulb in the Sienna 2016 and up.